Hey, just welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool underground here, and basically what this is a shower caddy that is basically like a hanging shower caddy. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and they do mention how this is a 2-tier bathroom shower caddy. And for the one that we got right here is a chrome material. They do have this available in many other designs as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But let's open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first before we actually set it up. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So I'm going to cut this part right here first. Once you guys do that, you guys can screw this together in the back. So they do provide guys an instruction manual right here to teach you guys how to set it up. And right here they provide guys the screws and suction cup for you to set it up as well. So right here you can see they provide guys this little accessory that you can put on top. So you just want to put it inside just like this. Make sure it goes all the way in. And basically what that will do is help you guys hold it in place when you guys do set it up onto your shower area, whatever, where the water comes out. But now we're going to take out the screws to put it together. So they probably guys screwed them, but you only need 2. So you basically want to screw it from the inside of the actual product. So in the beginning you guys can use your hand, and then you guys can use the accessory that will require you guys to screw it in. Alright, so once you guys screw it in, here is basically what the inside looks like. And here is basically what the overall part looks like when you guys do set it up. So the top part here is the hang option to hold it in place. Right here we do have a section for you to put stuff. Here is another section. And right here in the bottom you do have the option to put your loofah if you guys do want to. And the material that they use on here is stainless steel or chrome material. So it is a high quality material. So this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it and assemble it. Then I should go hang this onto the actual shower to show you guys what it looks like first. So the way how you guys put it in is actually very simple. You just want to put it around this part right here. And just hook it in. Make sure it goes all the way in. As far as possible. You have to make sure it's fully tight in all the way down. So that way when you guys actually use it, it won't fall down. Alright, so once you guys set it up, here is basically what the product looks like. So let's put some stuff on here to show you guys what it looks like. If you guys were to put like shampoo, body wash, and all that good stuff as well. Alright, so we put some shampoo and conditioner on here. You may see it supports the weight when you guys do set it up. So this is what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. Very easy and very simple. It didn't take that long. It actually looks pretty nice. Only issue that I do have is that if you guys try to put this underneath in the bottom right here, it will not fit. It only fits on the top. So if you guys do end up putting stuff in the bottom right here, you only want to put like small stuff. So maybe if you guys want to put like a shaver or something else, you definitely can. And like I mentioned for the bottom part, you do have the option to hang like a loofah if you guys want to. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up.